Hi everyone, this is Leslie Langno with Make Parts Fast, and I'm here today with Mark Hubner from 3D Platform, and he's got this traveling van that's showcasing some of the systems that 3D Platform offers, one of which was just demonstrating one of the larger trends of large format printing. And you have the 3DP Work Series here for that with us here, right, Mark? So what are some of the sizes you can print?
This is our 300 series and the Work Series family. And the 300 has a build area that's 1 meter by 700 millimeters tall. Then our biggest one is the 400 series, is the same, meter wide, 700 tall, but extend this out to 1.5 meters long. So I mean, we can print big. And some of the newer stuff we have that really you think print big, you think, wow, that's going to take a long time to print in that area. But we have some extruders that we've developed that help speed that process up.
That's always an issue with large format printing, is the speed. So tell me a little bit about those extruders.
The big one you see here on the right hand side, that's the HFE 300. And that's designed to push about 4 times more plastic than your industry standard type extruders. So it'll push a lot of volume. But yet you have the versatility of it's using 2.85 filament, so you have the open market availability of all kinds of filaments you can use there. To give you an idea, put it in visual terms, this is about what you could print in a half hour. This is a half hour with the extruder that's on the left there, our HFA extruder, versus that HFE 300. This is the kind of volume of plastic you can print in a half hour.
Wow.
So you can push a lot of plastic, print big jigs, fixtures, assembly aids, those kind of things, very fast.
If you wanted to do like a form type of a print where you wanted to show it to a customer, so you wanted a better finish, what would you do then?
Yeah, you'd either start with that HFA extruder here. You can see the surface finish is much finer than this. Or you can combine the two together, use this for your fast needs on the infill, those kind of things, and then use this as your outer layer for a skin around it to get a better surface finish.
So one of the things people like to know about is how flexible are these systems?
We can use either or of those extruders, and you'll notice they're mounted on a slide system, so it's very easy to quickly change from one to the other and then reset your Z height. So very flexible for needs from printing fine finishes to getting fast output.
It's kind of amazing that we're doing it outside.
Yeah, absolutely.
In just any atmosphere whatsoever.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, so how much is it going to be cost-wise for operation to handle one of these systems?
That's one of the advantages of being open market, is that we have the availability of anything that's a 2.85 filament that you can source that anywhere. You take this gas tank here for an example. If you were to print this in a proprietary closed market type system, you're looking at about $5,000 worth of material alone. Whereas on the open market, using just standard 2.85 filament, you're looking at about $500 worth of material. Stretch that out over a year because you want the printer running all year, right? You want to keep printing parts on it. And if you printed one of these a week, you can imagine pretty quick I'm up to $250,000 worth of material. Versus, you know, open market material, maybe $25,000 to run my machine for the year.
So Mark, tell me where engineers can find more information about this.
Yeah, you can find out all about it on 3dplatform.com. There's a configurator there where you can look at different extruder options, different size print areas, those kind of things, and configure the machine that's going to best fit your needs.
And that's an example of what 3D Platform offers for large format style printing.